This story helps you practice English listening. Listen carefully and repeat the sentences.
This is really funny. I like this part. I don't need to study. It's easy.
Mia, are you still awake in there? Put the iPad away now. You need to sleep early.
Okay, Mom. I will sleep now. Just a little more, then I will sleep.
Wake up, Mia. You will be late for school.
I am so sleepy. I want to sleep more.
Eat a little more. You need energy for school.
I don't want to go today. I feel tired.
Try your best in the test today, okay?
Okay, I will try. Bye, Mom. Hello, Emma. How are you today? Hi, Mia. I'm good. How about you? Did you come to school by bike today? Yes, I ride my bike every day. You come alone? Your mom didn't drive you? No, my mom doesn't have a car. Did you study for the math test last night? Yes. I studied a little. I need to park my bike now. See you in class. Okay, see you later. The test is today, Kenpu. I didn't study much. What should I do now?
No talking and no cheating during the test. Please do your own work.
This is hard. I don't know what to do. I wish I studied last night. Emma is already writing. She looks so sure. No, I should not copy. It is wrong. But I don't want a bad score. Maybe just one answer. No one will know. I will do it quickly.
You have 15 minutes left, and please finish your test. Write clearly and get ready to submit.
I need to write faster. I don't have much time. Just a little more. I'm almost finished. Basis, yeah.
Time is up. Please stop writing now. Put your pens down and pass your papers.
I finished just in time. It will be okay. No one saw me. I hope everything is okay. Mia, did you finish the math test? Yes. I think I did. Was it easy or hard for you? It was okay. I could do it. Did you both finish the test? Yes, but it was a bit hard.
I finished it.
I think I did okay. That's good. I hope we all did well. Yes, let's wait for the results.
Mia, how was your test today?
I did it. I think I did well.
That's good. I'm happy to hear that.
Yes, I could answer many questions.
You did a good job. I'm proud of you. If you get a high score, I will take you to the park.
Really? I want to go to the park.
I will return your math tests now. Please stay quiet and listen.
can't believe it. I also got an A. I'm happy. I will go to the park my mom promised me. I'm so excited now. What about you? Does your mom give you a reward? If I get a good score, my mom will be very happy. I don't need any reward. Oh, I see. That is nice. Mom, look! I got an A on my math test.
Oh, that's amazing. I'm so proud of you. I promised you we will go to the park this weekend.
Really? I'm so happy. Then I will wear a very pretty dress to the park. And I want to eat a lot of snacks. Is that okay?
Yes, that's okay. We will have a fun day. You can enjoy your time there.
This dress is so pretty. I really like it.
Mom, I'm ready. Let's go to the park.
Okay, let's go.
This place is so fun and I'm very happy today.
I'm glad you are happy, Mia.
Mom, I want ice cream. Can you buy it for me?
Here is $5. You can go and buy it.
No, I don't want to go alone. Please come with me.
I feel a little tired. Can you try by yourself?
No, I don't want to. I want you to go with me.
Okay, I will go with you.
Thank you, Mom. Let's go now.
All right, let's go together.
Mom, look at this toy and this comic. I really want them.
You already have many toys and books at home.
Please, Mom. I like them very much. Can you buy them?
You still have many things you don't use. It is wasteful.
It's okay. Money is easy to earn, Mom.
Money is not easy to earn, Mia.
This ice cream is so good. I really like it.
Hello, this is Anna. Mia, stay here and wait for me, okay?
Okay, Mom. I will wait here.
Yes, I am listening. What happened?
I saw Mia looking at Emma's paper on the camera. She copied her friend's answers in the test.
I understand. Thank you for telling me.
Mia.
Mia, I need a little time to calm down first. Is that Emma? Mia's classmate? Why is she working here? She works so hard, but she still gets good grades. Hello, I'm Mia's mom. I came to say hello.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Emma, you are helping your mom here?
Yes, I like helping my mom after school.
Do you have time to study when you work like this?
She studies at home after we finish work. She knows money is not easy to earn.
I want to help my mom and make her happy.
You are a very good girl, Emma. Mia? Mia, We need to talk now.